Crash course on Silicon Valley and its impact on the tech industry. Silicon Valley is a region located in Northern California, USA, and it is widely recognized as the birthplace of the modern technology industry. The name, Silicon Valley, comes from the silicon wafers used in computer chip manufacturing, which was the primary industry in the area in the 1970s and 1980s. However, since then, the region has become synonymous with technological innovation, entrepreneurship, and venture capital. The origins of Silicon Valley can be traced back to the 1950s, when Stanford University began investing in research and development in the fields of electronics and computer science. This led to the establishment of several technology companies, including Hewlett-Packard, which became the first major company to emerge from the region. One of the most significant contributions of Silicon Valley to the tech industry has been the development of the personal computer. In the 1970s, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak founded Apple Computer in a garage in Silicon Valley, and they soon revolutionized the computer industry with their user-friendly and visually appealing computers. Microsoft, founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen in 1975, also had a significant impact on the personal computer industry, as they developed the operating system that became the industry standard. Another area where Silicon Valley has had a significant impact is the Internet. The World Wide Web was invented in 1989 by British computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee, but it was companies in Silicon Valley that helped to popularize and commercialize the Internet. In the mid-1990s, companies like Netscape and Yahoo were founded in Silicon Valley, and they helped to make the Internet accessible to everyday people. The advent of social media also had its origins in Silicon Valley. In 2004, Mark Zuckerberg founded Facebook while he was a student at Harvard University, and the social media platform soon became one of the most popular websites on the Internet. Twitter, founded in 2006, and Instagram, founded in 2010, are also popular social media platforms that have their roots in Silicon Valley. Silicon Valley has also been at the forefront of technological advancements in areas such as mobile computing, artificial intelligence, and robotics. Apple's iPhone, introduced in 2007, revolutionized the smartphone industry, and it is now an essential part of many people's lives. Google's search engine, introduced in 1998, has become the go-to tool for finding information online. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are leading the way in self-driving car technology, and robots developed by companies like Boston Dynamics are pushing the boundaries of what is possible in robotics. However, despite its many successes, Silicon Valley has also faced criticism and controversy. One issue that the region has struggled with is diversity and inclusion. The tech industry has traditionally been dominated by white men, and there have been several high-profile cases of sexism and discrimination within Silicon Valley companies. This has led to calls for greater diversity and inclusion in the industry. Silicon Valley has also been criticized for its impact on local communities. The region has seen a rapid increase in housing costs and income inequality, making it difficult for many people to afford to live there. Additionally, the influx of tech workers has put a strain on local infrastructure, such as transportation and public services. In conclusion, Silicon Valley has had a profound impact on the tech industry and has transformed the way we live, work, and interact with each other. Its legacy of innovation and entrepreneurship will continue to inspire and shape the future of technology. However, it is essential to recognize the challenges that the region must address, such as diversity and inclusion and income inequality, to ensure that. One of the interesting stories that highlights the impact of Silicon Valley on the tech industry is the story of PayPal. In the late 1990s, PayPal co-founders Peter Thiel and Max Levchin were struggling to get funding for their online payment platform. They pitched their idea to several venture capitalists in Silicon Valley, but they were repeatedly turned down. Eventually, they convinced venture capitalist Peter Fenton to invest in their company, and PayPal went on to become one of the most successful tech startups in history. Another fascinating story is the rivalry between Apple and Microsoft in the 1980s and 1990s. Apple co-founder Steve Jobs famously accused Microsoft of stealing ideas from Apple's Macintosh operating system to create Windows. Microsoft founder Bill Gates denied the accusations but acknowledged that Apple had inspired Microsoft's development of Windows. The rivalry between the two companies helped to drive innovation in the personal computer industry and paved the way for the tech industry as we know it today. Silicon Valley has also been at the forefront of philanthropy and social responsibility. Many of the region's wealthiest tech executives, such as Mark Zuckerberg, have pledged to donate a significant portion of their wealth to charitable causes. Additionally, tech companies have been involved in initiatives to promote environmental sustainability and reduce their carbon footprint. In recent years, Silicon Valley has also become a hub for startup companies focused on social impact. These companies aim to use technology to address some of the world's most pressing social and environmental challenges, such as poverty, healthcare, and climate change. Overall, Silicon Valley has played a crucial role in shaping the tech industry and the world at large. From the development of the personal computer to the rise of social media and mobile computing, Silicon Valley has been at the forefront of technological innovation. However, the region also faces significant challenges, such as issues of diversity and inclusion and social responsibility. As the tech industry continues to evolve, it will be important to address these challenges and ensure that the benefits of technology are shared by all. In conclusion, Silicon Valley has had a profound impact on the tech industry and has transformed the way we live, work, and interact with each other. While there are challenges that the region must address, such as diversity and inclusion and income inequality, its legacy of innovation and entrepreneurship will continue to inspire and shape the future of technology. Here is a poem on Silicon Valley and tech and its impacts on the human being. Silicon Valley, land of dreams. Where innovation flows like streams. Where tech titans rise and shine. And shape the world, one bite at a time. From Hewlett-Packard to Apple's core. The valley's seen it all before. A personal computer in every home. A pocket-sized device to call our own. Google's search changed the game. Amazon stores, online, all the same. Facebook made connections grand. And Tesla's electric car took a stand. Silicon Valley, a melting pot. Of ideas, dreams, and thoughts. From every corner of the earth. To make our lives a little worth. From virtual reality to self-driving cars. AI that learns and thinks like stars. The valley's on the cutting edge. Where imagination meets its pledge. But with great power comes great responsibility. The valley's faced its share of notoriety. A lack of diversity, a lack of care. A warning to heed, for all to share. Silicon Valley, a place of pride. Where tech and progress collide. A beacon for all to aspire. A place where dreams catch fire. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences America has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to North America, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.